Now to replace your pump, you take these two clamps off. I'll show you that in a minute. But you basically just take these two clamps off. Sometimes they're easy, sometimes they're not. If you turn them sideways, they'll come out of the hole. You can see it's a T there. It slips in and then you turn to lock it in place. And then you just pull it right off the motor. And that's all you do to take the pump off. To put it back on, you just reverse the process. Put it back on. Put your bottom clip on. Put your top clip back in. And you're done. But if you're having pump problems, the first thing you want to do is take these two hose clamps off, pull the hoses out, and check and make sure there's no obstruction in there.